EdgeMax combines the bold performance of big, bulky, surface-mount loudspeakers with a stealthy design, shattering the limitations of traditional in-ceiling loudspeakers. Think of EdgeMax as your secret weapon for directing powerful, full-range audio into rooms demanding a different approach. They deliver the coverage patterns, high SPL, and frequency response of larger surface-mount loudspeakers, but with the minimum visual impact of in-ceiling loudspeakers. The two newest additions to the EdgeMax family provide even more flexibility in install options. Larger rooms with higher SPL needs benefit from the powerful, deeper 9-inch cans of the original EdgeMax EM90 and EM180, and new, low-profile LP models feature a shallow 4-inch back can that allows integrators to bring big EdgeMax sound into smaller and more challenging spaces. Surface mount performance loudspeakers provide directionality, well-defined coverage angles, and full-range audio performance. However, they stand out visually, degrading room aesthetics. And in-ceiling loudspeakers are less obtrusive, but this comes at the expense of directionality and performance quality, and generally more loudspeakers are required to deliver the same amount of coverage. Bose Professional's EdgeMax series combines high-fidelity sound with unique directionality. Instead of firing downward in a cone-shaped pattern, the phase guide projects sound out into the room with asymmetric vertical coverage and purpose-built horizontal coverage. Original EdgeMax models feature a 75-degree vertical coverage angle suited for larger rooms with higher ceilings. And the new LP models provide an 80-degree vertical coverage angle, best for use in spaces with lower ceilings, such as conference rooms. So, how does it work? Looking inside an EdgeMax loudspeaker, you see the unique design structure. We see that it's made up of a compression driver and a phase guide. Regularly spaced openings face downwards towards the listening area. Sound radiates out of these openings, creating a coherent wavefront. And precision, acoustically resistive material helps to balance the sound energy, while the surface area and shape of the phase guide define each EdgeMax model's coverage profile. All EdgeMax models are purpose-built for specific horizontal coverage. The 90-degree EdgeMax EM90 and EM90 LP are optimized for corner locations, while the EM180 and the EM180 LP feature 180-degree coverage to provide a wide, consistent pattern for near-field applications and room-filling sound. The large woofer and ported enclosure deliver wide frequency response and high SPL, making EdgeMax the perfect loudspeaker for many demanding applications. Only EdgeMax sounds like a surface mount loudspeaker, looks like an in-ceiling loudspeaker, and directs sound asymmetrically into spaces traditional loudspeakers can't go.